Did you know that you probably interact with artificial intelligence before you even have your first sip of coffee? It's true. Consider this. That alarm that gently wakes you up on your smartphone isn't just a simple clock anymore. Many alarm apps use AI to learn your sleep patterns. They can track your movements during the night and wake you during a light sleep cycle. This makes waking up feel less jarring and more natural. You feel more rested, all thanks to some clever code working while you dream. It's science in action right in your bedroom. It's not magic, it's just a set of instructions helping a machine make a smart decision for you. Once you're awake, the AI assistance continues. You might ask a smart speaker, "What's the weather today?" or "What's on my calendar?" That friendly voice that answers you is powered by sophisticated AI. It has to understand your spoken words, search for the information, and then speak the answer back to you in a way that sounds human. This process, called natural language processing, is a huge part of AI. It's like having a personal assistant who is always ready to help. This same technology can also tell you the fastest route to work, avoiding traffic jams that an AI has already detected using data from thousands of other drivers. Even your coffee maker might be getting in on the AI action. Some smart coffee machines can learn your schedule. They can start brewing your favorite blend right before your alarm goes off, so a fresh, hot cup is waiting for you. This isn't just about convenience. It's about a system learning your habits and anticipating your needs. The machine isn't thinking like a person, but it is following complex rules to make your morning a little bit better. It's a network of simple decisions that, when combined, create a very helpful and intelligent system. It's a wonderful example of how we can use technology to make our lives easier. So, from the moment your eyes open, AI is already at work. It's the invisible hand that smooths out the wrinkles in your morning routine. It adjusts your thermostat to the perfect temperature, cues up your favorite morning news podcast, and helps you start your day on the right foot. This isn't science fiction from a movie, it's the reality of our world in 2025. This technology is quietly woven into the fabric of our daily lives, making things more efficient and personalized. And this is just the beginning of the day. The journey with our AI companions is only getting started. Think about how you talk to friends and family. You send emails, you post on social media, you text. Well, artificial intelligence is right there with you, acting like a digital traffic cop for all that information. When you open your email inbox, have you ever noticed that pesky junk mail is already sorted into a separate folder? That's AI at work. It has been trained to recognize the patterns of spam emails, strange links, urgent requests for money, or weird formatting. It learns from billions of examples to protect your inbox and save you time. It's like having a vigilant guard who knows exactly what to look for, keeping the noise out so you can focus on the important messages. Social media is another playground for AI. When you scroll through your feed, the posts you see are not random. An AI algorithm is working hard behind the scenes to show you things it thinks you will like. It looks at what you've liked, shared, or commented on in the past. It notices which videos you watch all the way through. Based on all this data, it makes an educated guess about what will keep you engaged. This is why you might see more posts about your favorite sports team, or more videos of cute cats. The AI is trying to create a personalized experience just for you, making your time online more enjoyable. Communication across the globe has also been transformed by AI. Have you ever used an online translation tool to understand a website in another language or to talk to someone from another country? That's AI breaking down language barriers. These tools use what's called neural machine translation. They don't just translate word for word, they analyze the entire sentence to understand the context and grammar. This makes the translation much more accurate and natural sounding. It's an incredible tool that connects people and cultures in ways that were once unimaginable. We can now share ideas and stories with people everywhere. Science for the win. Even the way we type messages is influenced by AI. When your phone suggests the next word in your text message or automatically corrects a spelling mistake, that's predictive text powered by AI. It learns your personal writing style, including the slang and abbreviations you use, to make its suggestions more accurate over time. It's a small thing, but it saves us countless keystrokes and helps us communicate faster and more clearly. From filtering our emails to connecting us across languages, AI has become an essential, though often unseen, partner in our daily digital chatter. In the world of work, AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a practical tool that is changing how we do our jobs. Many of us use AI-powered software to help us be more productive. These tools can organize our schedules, prioritize our tasks, and even help us write better reports by checking for grammar and suggesting clearer phrasing. In many offices, if you have a question for the IT department, you might first talk to a chatbot. This AI-powered helper can answer common questions instantly, freeing up human experts to tackle more complex problems. It's all about making the workplace more efficient, so we can focus on creative and strategic thinking. AI is also a master of data. Businesses today collect huge amounts of information, and AI helps make sense of it all. It can analyze sales figures to identify trends, review customer feedback to find areas for improvement, or even help a factory run more smoothly by predicting when a machine might need maintenance. This allows companies to make smarter, data-driven decisions instead of just guessing. While some people worry that AI will take jobs, it's also creating new ones. We now need people who can design, manage, and work alongside these intelligent systems. The goal is for humans and AI to work together as a team. In our schools, AI is opening up exciting new possibilities for learning. Imagine a learning program that adapts to your personal pace. If you're struggling with a math concept, an AI tutor can provide extra examples and practice problems. If you've already mastered a topic, it can move you on to the next challenge. This is called personalized learning, and it helps ensure that every student gets the support they need to succeed. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7, ready to help you understand the world in a way that makes sense to you. It makes education more accessible and effective for everyone. AI also provides powerful tools for teachers. It can help automate the grading of multiple-choice tests, freeing up valuable time for educators to focus on lesson planning and one-on-one student interaction. AI can also help teachers find the best educational resources, from videos to interactive simulations, to make their lessons more engaging. For students doing research, AI-powered search engines can help them find relevant and reliable information much faster. By handling some of the repetitive tasks, AI empowers both teachers and students to focus on what truly matters, the joy of discovery and the process of learning. It's a revolution in the classroom. Your health is incredibly important, and artificial intelligence is becoming a powerful ally in helping us stay healthy. Many people now wear smartwatches or fitness trackers on their wrists. These devices are packed with sensors that monitor your heart rate, count your steps, and even track your sleep quality. But the device itself is just the beginning. The real magic happens when AI analyzes that data. It can spot patterns and give you insights into your health. It might notice that your sleep quality is poor on days you don't exercise, or it can alert you if your heart rate is unusually high. It's like having a personal health coach with you all day long. In hospitals and clinics, AI is helping doctors make more accurate diagnoses. Think about medical imaging, like X-rays or MRI scans. An AI system can be trained on millions of these images to learn how to spot signs of diseases, sometimes even things that are difficult for the human eye to see. This doesn't replace the doctor. It acts as a second pair of expert eyes. It can help radiologists work faster and with more confidence, leading to earlier detection and better treatment for patients. This is a fantastic example of technology augmenting human expertise to save lives. It's a game changer for medicine. AI is also making healthcare more accessible. Have you ever used a symptom checker app or website? Many of these are powered by AI. You can enter your symptoms and the AI will ask a series of questions to help you decide if you need to see a doctor. For people in remote areas or those with mobility issues, AI-powered virtual health assistants can provide valuable information and support. These systems can answer questions about medications, remind you to take your pills, and offer guidance on managing chronic conditions. It's all about bringing healthcare closer to home. The development of new medicines is also being accelerated by AI. Discovering a new drug is an incredibly long and expensive process. AI can analyze vast databases of biological and chemical information to predict which compounds are most likely to be effective against a particular disease. This can shave years off the research and development timeline, getting life-saving treatments to the people who need them much faster. From a simple fitness tracker on your wrist to the complex process of drug discovery, AI is working behind the scenes to help us live longer, healthier lives. It's an amazing application of science for the good of humanity. When it's time to relax and have some fun, AI is often the director of your entertainment experience. Think about the last time you watched a movie or a TV show on a streaming service. How did you decide what to watch? Chances are the service gave you some recommendations. That recommended for you row is powered by a very smart AI. It analyzes everything you've watched, how long you watched it, what you searched for, and even the time of day you usually watch. It compares your viewing habits to millions of other users to find new content that you're likely to enjoy. It's a personalized movie theater curator just for you. The same goes for music. When a music streaming app creates a personalized playlist for you, like a weekly discovery mix, that's AI at work. The algorithm looks at the songs you listen to, the artists you follow, and the tracks you skip. It identifies the characteristics of the music you love, the tempo, the genre, the instrumentation, and then scours its massive library to find new songs that fit your unique taste. This helps you discover new artists and songs that you might have never found on your own. It's like having a friend who is a music expert and knows exactly what you want to hear. Even the world of video games is filled with AI. The non-player characters in a game, the allies who help you or the enemies you fight, are controlled by AI. In older games, these characters had very simple, predictable behaviors. But today, AI makes them much more realistic and challenging. They can learn from your tactics, work together as a team, and create a dynamic and unpredictable experience every time you play. AI is also used to generate vast, detailed game worlds, creating endless landscapes for players to explore. It makes the virtual world feel more alive and immersive. But AI isn't just recommending and managing entertainment, it's also starting to create it. AI tools can now generate images, compose music, and even write short stories based on a simple text prompt. While these creations are still guided by human creativity, they represent a fascinating new frontier. Artists, musicians, and writers are beginning to use AI as a collaborative partner, a tool to spark new ideas and push the boundaries of their craft. From the shows we watch to the games we play, AI is fundamentally reshaping our entertainment landscape, making it more personal, dynamic, and creative than ever before. Managing your money and keeping it safe involves more AI than you might think. Many banking apps now offer AI-powered tools to help you budget. These tools can automatically categorize your spending, showing you exactly where your money goes each month. How much on groceries, how much on transportation, and how much on entertainment. They can analyze your spending habits and offer personalized tips on how to save. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket, helping you make smarter decisions and reach your financial goals. It simplifies a task that many people find complicated and stressful. One of the most important jobs for AI in finance is something you hopefully never have to see: fraud detection. When you use your credit card, an AI system is working in the background in real time. It analyzes the transaction, the amount, the location, the store, and compares it to your usual spending patterns. If something seems out of the ordinary, like a large purchase in a different country, the AI can flag it as potentially fraudulent. It might decline the transaction or send you an alert to confirm it was really you. This invisible shield protects you and your money from theft. When you shop online, AI is your personal shopping assistant. When you search for a product, AI algorithms help sort through millions of items to show you the most relevant results. E-commerce sites use AI to recommend other products you might like based on your browsing history and past purchases. Customers who bought this also bought is a classic example. This technology can also power virtual try-on features where you can use your phone's camera to see how a pair of glasses or a shade of lipstick might look on you. It makes online shopping more convenient and personalized. Beyond your finances and shopping, AI plays a role in keeping our communities safe. Many cities use AI to manage traffic flow, adjusting traffic light timings based on real-time conditions to reduce congestion and improve safety for drivers and pedestrians. Security cameras in public spaces and in our homes can use AI to detect unusual activity. For example, a smart doorbell can tell the difference between a person, a package, and a passing car, and only send you an alert when someone is actually at your door. These applications show how AI can be a vigilant partner in protecting our property and well-being. We've seen that artificial intelligence is already a huge part of our world. It's in our homes, our phones, our cars, and our workplaces, and it's only going to become more common. In the future, we can expect AI to help us solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. Imagine AI helping us develop more sustainable farming methods to feed a growing population, or helping scientists model climate change with greater accuracy to find better solutions. The potential is enormous. Self-driving cars will become safer and more common, and AI doctors might provide diagnoses to people in the most remote corners of the world. The possibilities are truly exciting. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we build and use more AI, we have to think carefully about the challenges. One major concern is privacy. AI systems often need a lot of data to work well, but we need to make sure our personal information is collected and used responsibly and securely. Another challenge is bias. If an AI is trained on biased data, it can make unfair decisions. For example, an AI hiring tool could unfairly favor one group of people over another. We must work hard to make sure our AI systems are fair, transparent, and just. It is our duty to build them right. We also need to think about the impact of AI on jobs. While AI will create new jobs, it will also automate some existing ones. We need to prepare for this change by investing in education and retraining programs so that people can learn the skills needed for the jobs of the future. The goal should be to use AI as a tool that empowers people, not replaces them. It can handle the repetitive and dangerous tasks, freeing up humans to focus on creativity, critical thinking, and empathy, the things we do best. It's about creating a partnership between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. Ultimately, the future of AI is not something that just happens to us. It is something we will build together. It's up to all of us, scientists, engineers, policymakers, and you, to guide its development in a way that benefits all of humanity. We need to ask questions, demand transparency, and think critically about the role we want this powerful technology to play in our society. By approaching the future with a sense of curiosity, optimism, and a strong ethical compass, we can ensure that artificial intelligence helps us create a better, smarter, and more compassionate world for everyone. The future is in our hands.